Hi guys, I am making this video tonight to alert everybody that we should be concerned about Monday night or Tuesday night, should I say Tuesday night. There may be a sneaky little snowstorm that affects the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, the Midwest through the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. That includes here in New Jersey, all of New Jersey. There is a meteorologist that works at AccuWeather headquarters. His name is Bernie Rayno. And he stated in one of his videos that he did today, he stated the potential is there for a little sneaky snowstorm. He called it a sneaky snowstorm. And again, he's a very good meteorologist. I always rely on him. He's always reliable. He said there's a potential for a sneaky snowstorm that nobody's worried about, nobody's concerned about, nobody's even forecasting yet. Tuesday night. We have to keep an eye on this because this could be a large swath of 3 to 6 inches of snow. So let's keep an eye on this. I will be back with a video probably Saturday. And so yes, probably tomorrow or Saturday I will make another video on this, updating you on what the update is. But for those of you who live in the Midwest, Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, like southern Pennsylvania areas, all of New Jersey, we need to be aware of this potential snowstorm. So let's keep an eye on it.